Hey guys, on this video we're going to see how to create a calligraphy design using Procreate and Adobe Illustrator. This video is a collaboration with Satori Graphics, who will use this design to create a beautiful pattern in Illustrator. Make sure to check his tutorial on how to create the pattern on his channel, as well as a ton of other useful design tutorials. I will leave a link on the description so you can go and check it, but we will see more about his channel and the pattern design later on this video. So we start by creating a calligraphy piece on the iPad Pro using the Procreate app. The brush I'm using is the solid brush and it is available on the link in the description. We can change the layout if needed, and then we need to export the file. Now that we have created the custom lettering, we open Illustrator and we create a new document 2000 by 2000 pixels. Then we insert the lettering file and we need to convert it to vector object. We do that by going to image trace and then black and white. We also need to click on the ignore white. Then we go to expand and we have the lettering as a vector object. Now we need to add some details to improve the design. So we deselect the object by clicking on the empty space. Then we select the pen tool, we set the fill to white and stroke to none. Then we create some shapes like that. Then we can add something like a marker texture on the letters. So again, with the pen tool and white fill, we zoom in and we create some shapes that follow the shape of the line. We click on the anchor point to remove the curve and we create a shape like this. We do the same on the other side of the line. And we continue on the rest. You can click and hold the Command or Control key to edit the guides of the anchor points. On the text below, we're not going to add too many details because we'd like to emphasize the top word as long as it's the name of the brand. Now that we're done with the white shapes, we need to subtract them from the black letters. In order to do that, we need to have a compound path of the white shapes and a compound path of the black letters. So we select them all with the selection tool and we deselect only the black letters. As long as the black letters is the last object and it is a group because we vectorized it earlier, we click and hold Shift and we click on the color square. Then we go to Object, Compound Path, Make. Then we select the black letters by clicking on the empty space here. And again we go to Object, Compound Path, Make. Now we select both, we go to Pathfinder and we select the minus front. It may not be visible, but the white shapes has been subtracted from the black letters. To make sure that this is actually happened, we can create a square in a different color and put it on the back. As long as we can see the color where the white shapes were before, that's fine. We delete the square and we have created a custom lettering with marker texture in vector format. So Tom from Satori Graphics used this design to create a pattern with it in Adobe Illustrator. On his video, he shows how you can create the pattern and adjust all the settings, like how to change the size, the distance, how to rotate it and everything else to make it look perfect. The process is available on the tutorial video on his channel, which you can find on the link in the description below. You have probably came across Satori Graphics channel on YouTube, but if not, you should definitely check it. It is a big source of very useful design tutorial videos. For me personally, I have learned a lot of stuff from his video, so I highly recommend it if you'd like to improve your skills and learn new techniques. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Till next time, like, share and subscribe. Bye.